Nature is a delicate balance of ecosystems where each organism plays a vital role in maintaining harmony. 2. It offers breathtaking landscapes, from towering mountains to serene beaches and lush forests. 3. The seasons, a testament to nature's cyclical beauty, bring transformations with their ever changing colors and temperatures. 4. Wildlife, ranging from tiny insects to majestic mammals, populates our planet, showcasing its rich biodiversity. 5. Water bodies like rivers, lakes, and oceans provide sustenance and life, covering a significant portion of the Earth's surface.